Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. So, as you all know that we start the class with date and date. So, can you tell that?
23 Friday, ma'am.
Very good. It's 23rd April, Friday. Yes, still many students have not joined. Okay, children. Shall we start our class?
Yes.
We'll wait for 2 minutes more. Meanwhile, what you can do is kindly type your names in the chat box as attendance. Very less attendance I am getting every day. Yes. Quickly type your names in the chat box. Only 2 students have typed. Do that. You keep doing. We'll start our class now. Okay, children. So hope you remember what we were doing in the last class. Did you remember the name of the chapter? Do you remember the name of the chapter?
Long and short.
Very good. It's long and short. Okay. So we stopped here at marathon race. So we'll start the same from there. Let me share that. Yes. So here there is a problem on marathon race. Let us do that. So first of all, hope all of you have your textbooks. If not, you can go through this slide. You can understand here by seeing here. Have you heard about marathon races in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? So people are running to what distance? Covering what distance? How much?
40 kilometers, ma'am.
Very good. So complete distance they have to cover is 40 kilometers. So can any one of you tell me if you convert 40 kilometers into meters, how much you'll get? 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer.
1000 meters, ma'am.
Very good. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. I can hear only one voice. What about others? Are
400
the others
meters,
not
ma'am.
listening to class?
40 meters.
Yes. Quickly join everyone and keep your videos on. Akshat, Sarika, Mokshita, Pallavi. Make it fast. Sarika, Akshat Gaud, Mokshita, Pallavi Kumari.
Ma'am, 40 into 1000.
Yeah, we'll go back to class, but others make it fast. Keep your videos on. So we were just talking about conversion. So 40 kilometers, if you convert into meters, as you know that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So 40 kilometers is 40 into
4,000
1,000.
meters, ma'am.
40 into 1,000.
40,000 meters, ma'am.
Very good. It is
40,000
40,000
meters,
meters.
ma'am.
Yes, good children. So this conversion you should learn. So 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters as I have shown here. So 40 kilometers is 40 into 1,000, isn't it? So 40,000 meters. So fine. So let us see the problem. People run marathons on roads because the track of a stadium is only 400 meters. So here the people have to cover 40,000 meters. But what is the distance of track? What is the length of the track? Only
400 meters.
400 meters. So is that enough if they make one round in that track? See, this is how the track will be. If they make one round, they will be covering only 400 meters. But how many meters they have to cover? 40,000 meters. So, yes. So
4,000 meters.
no, don't see this. This is different problem. Listen to me what I am asking. If you make one round in this track, how much you are covering? 400 meters. The length of the complete track is 400 meters. Okay. Listen, children. Why there is on and off? Everyone should be alert, right? All the videos should be on. Quickly, Sirivanala, Pranita, Akshit Gaud, Mokshita, Sarika, Tanvi. Quick. Akshit Gaud, Mokshita.
My video is on.
I cannot see. It's
My video is on.
your name we are getting.
Ma'am, my video
Okay, now
is on. Ma'am, my video is on, ma'am.
see which videos are on. Please stop. Now listen. Now listen. We were talking about a problem. So one round of a track covers how much distance? 400 meters. It covers 400 meters. But to cover 40,000 meters, is that enough if you make one round? Is that enough if you make one round? Yes or no? No. So let us see in the problem how to find out. Yes, how to find out the number of rounds to be made to cover 40,000 meters. Okay. So before that, there is one more problem. Let us do that. Then we'll come back to that. So now see here. If one round of a stadium track is 400 meters, find the distance of 10 rounds of a stadium track. It's very simple. Can you tell me? One round, 400 meters. 10 rounds, how many meters?
4,000 meters.
Yes, very good. Yes. Listen. One round, 400 meters. 10 rounds, you have to just multiply by 10. Isn't it? 10 times they are making the same place round. So 10 into 400. So can you tell me what is 10 into 400?
4,000.
Multiply and tell me what is 10 into 400.
4,000, ma'am.
Very good. It is 4,000. What about others? What about others?
4,000, ma'am.
Very good. So 4,000 yeah. So if they make 10 rounds, they will be covering how much? 4,000 meters. Now can you tell me 4,000 meters converted into kilometers? 4,000 meters converted into kilometers?
40 kilometers. 40 kilometers.
How much?
40 kilometers.
No. 40 is not the right answer. Yes.
4 kilometers.
Yes, it is 4 kilometers. How do you say
4
that?
kilometers,
You have learned that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So 4,000, 4 kilometers. Isn't it? 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. If you are given 4,000 meters, it is 4 kilometers. Right? Okay. So the same I have shown you here. You can see here. See, one round of a stadium track is 400 meters. 10 rounds of a stadium track is 400 into 10. That is 4,000 meters. When you convert it into meters, 4 kilometers. Is this problem clear? Any doubt here? Is my voice clear to all of you? Yes. So some of you have some thing. No, it's not my voice. Some of you have internet issues at your home. No, see, when others can listen, it means from my side it is clear. You check your internet issues, please. Those who are not able to listen, maybe the problem is with you. Okay, so hope this problem is clear. You have to note down this problem in your classwork notebook after the class. Is that problem clear? Any doubt there? So let us go to the next one. So now let us go to the next one. See here. So, okay. Now, if you run a marathon on a stadium track, so how many kilometers you have to cover? If you want to complete one marathon in a stadium, how many kilometers you have to run?
40 kilometers, ma'am.
How many?
Kilometers, ma'am.
No, listen to me carefully. Listen to me. I said one marathon covers 40 kilometers. How many kilometers? One marathon మొత్తం run చేయాలంటే 40 kilometers they have to cover. One marathon covers 40 kilometers. How many kilometers? 40 kilometers. Now listen to me. Yes, very good. Now listen to me carefully. Just now you have seen that one round of a track covers 400 meters. 400 meters. Now, can you tell me to cover 40,000 meters, how many rounds a person has to make? How many rounds? So this is what we are going to learn now. Okay, so see. So marathon race covers 40 kilometers. We will convert that into meters. That is 40 into 1,000. 40,000 meters. This is clear to all of you? Now, we just discussed one round of a track covers 400 meters. Then how many rounds I should make to cover 40,000 meters? So 40,000 complete distance to be divided by one round distance. 40,000 divided by 400. Okay, so now 40,000 divided by 400. Quickly, all of you divide and show it to me. 40,000 divided by 400. Write down 40,000 divided by 400. 40,000 divided by 400. It is not new. You know how to divide. Do all of you know how to divide? Do all of you know? Division part, do all of you know? Yes. Quickly write in your notebook 40,000 divided by 400 and tell me the answer. 40,000 divided by 400. Quickly.
100.
Yes. Yeah, very good. So please show it to me. Show the work to the camera. Show the division part what you have done to the camera. Let me see how beautifully I have done so that the others also will see that. Please show that who said the answer. Clearly, Sirivanala. No, I can't see that. Show with mobile. Not clear. Up. Sirivanala, raise it up. Lift your book. Who else?
Ma'am, your sound is not coming.
Akshit God, you also gave the answer, so let me see. Okay, so there's some technical issues. I think I'm not able to hear the voices clearly. Yes. You have done, yes. Sirivanala has shown 400 once, 400. So subtraction 0. She is bringing down 1 0. So that is taken in the quotient. So 0 and bringing down another 0. That is also taken in the quotient. So quotient becomes 100. Yes. Claps for Sirivanella. She has done well. Very good, Sirivanella. Yes. Who else? Who else? Who else? Okay. So division part, learn it. Okay. So that is important and nothing new. You know very well. So 40,000 divided by 400 is 100. What is this 100? 100. What is this 100 you are finding? What is this 100?
100 rounds, ma'am.
Rounds. Very good. So if you, very good. Yeah, yeah. So if you make 100 rounds in the track, it means you have covered 40,000 meters. That is 40 kilometers. Hope all of you understood this problem. Any doubt, please ask me now. Raise your hand and ask me. Any doubt, whether in dividing the division part or understanding the problem? No, then you have to note down this in your classwork notebook later. Okay, but you should be ready with your notebook and pencil. When I ask you to do some problem, you should do and show it to me. Yeah. So, okay, now let us go to the next one. Now here is a problem on long jump. How many of you know what a long jump is? Long jump, high jump, long jump, high jump. Have you ever participated in such jumps? You had that program. You had the competition last year, last but 1 year in the school. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Some of you have participated. So hope you know what high jump and long jump is. So there is a competition between students, high jump and long jump. So let us see that. Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meters 40 centimeters. So how much distance she has covered when she has long jump? Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meters. What is that?
30 centimeters.
Okay. Name it. Okay, Banu or Dhanu, I might have not seen it. Check it up. So first, listen, tell me, Dhanu has the longest jump. So what is the distance he has covered?
3 meters.
Very good. Yes, Dhanu has covered 3 meters 40 centimeters. Now listen. You should answer. See, let me tell you one thing. The questions what I am asking, for that, the answers what you are giving, whoever is participating, they will be getting marks for orals in your last exam, final exam. You have orals in your end semester exams. That orals marks will be given by checking you in these classes, by evaluating you in the classroom. When I ask you questions, you should be ready to give answers. Is that clear? Whether right or wrong, that we will decide later. But you should participate in answering. Is that clear to all of you? Yes. Is that clear to all of you? Yes. Now the question is. Now the question is. Listen to me. Tanvi Priya. Now the question is. If Dhanu covers 3 meters 40 centimeters, so when you have to convert it into centimeters, how will you convert? How will you convert? If you have 3 meters 40 centimeters, 3 meters 40 centimeters, this is what he has covered, isn't it? Convert that into complete centimeters. Can you tell me how to convert that into complete centimeters? 3 meters is how many centimeters? 1 meter is how many centimeters? 1 meter. 1 meter. 1 meter is how many centimeters? Huh?
1 meter, sir.
1 meter. Very good. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Is that correct? 1 meter is 100 centimeters.
100 centimeters.
But then what about 3 meters?
300.
3 meters is how many? How many centimeters?
300 centimeters.
Very good. 3 meters.
Centimeters, ma'am.
Yes. Listen. 3 meters is 300 centimeters. Very good. Now listen. Children. When 3 meters is 300 centimeters, Dhanu has covered 3 meters and 40 centimeters. It means 300 centimeters and 40 centimeters. So in total, 300 plus 40, how much? How much? 300 plus 40.
40, ma'am.
Huh?
340
Very good. 300 plus 40 gives you 340 centimeters. So Dhanu has the longest jump. In total, she has jumped 340 centimeters. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now, yes, children. So, if Dhanu has the longest jump, that is 3 meters, 40 centimeters. If you convert into complete centimeters, it comes to 340 centimeters, as you can see it on the screen. Okay. Now, the second person, Gurjit. Gurjit's jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu's jump. Less means what? Always subtraction. Okay. Less means always subtraction. More means it's always addition. So here Gurjit is 20 centimeter less. It means he has jumped lesser than Dhanu. Isn't it? So now, how much less it is? 20 centimeters. So here, actual length of Dhanu was 3 meters, 40 centimeters. Yes. So now Gurjit jump will be 3 meters, 40 centimeters minus 20 centimeters. Minus 20. So now you tell me, what is 340 centimeters minus 20 centimeters? 340 centimeters minus 20 centimeters. Now tell me the answer.
320 centimeters, ma'am.
Very good. It is 340 minus 20. 340 minus 20 gives you 320 centimeters, isn't it? So how to write it in meters and centimeters again? 320, this is completely centimeters. But when you write it in the two parts, it becomes 3 meters, 20 centimeters. 3 meters, 20 centimeters. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now, let us go to the third person. Yes, let us go to the third person, Gopi. Now he comes third. It means he jumped much lesser than Gurjit, Dhanu and Gurjit. So how much less he has jumped? Let us see. Gopi comes third. His jump is only 5 centimeters less than Gurjit's jump. What was Gurjit's jump? 3 meters.
5
centimeters. Gurjit's jump was
5 centimeters.
Gurjit's jump was 3 meters, 20 centimeters. And Gopi has jumped 5 less. Less means subtraction. So 320 minus 320 minus 5. So can you tell me what is the answer? 320 minus 5? What is that? 315 centimeters. And when you write it in meters and centimeters, it becomes 3 meters, 15 centimeters. Is this clear? Is this clear to you? Yes. Okay. So any doubt here in this problem? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. now itself, or we'll go to the next question. Is this okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. So this also you have to copy
Okay,
down.
ma'am.
Very good. This also you have to copy down in the next in your classwork notebook. Okay. So now let's go to the next one. Here, see children, I'm going to show you a table in which there is a world record and Indian record of men and women in high jump and long jump. Okay. So please see the table carefully. You'll be having questions on it. Okay. Now, here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. High jump in men. It's Xavier S. His record is 2 meters 45 centimeters. So how high he has jumped? 2 meters 45 centimeters. Okay. Now, Indian record was by Chandrapal. How high he has jumped? 2 meters 17 centimeters. 2 meters 17 centimeters. Can you tell me who jumped high? Is that Xavier or Chandrapal? Xavier. Now can you tell me what to do to find out how more high Xavier has jumped than Chandrapal? Children, you have seen the table, first one at least. Now tell me, Xavier was world record or Indian record? Xavier was world record or Indian record?
World record, ma'am.
World record. How high he has jumped? How much?
245 centimeters, ma'am.
Yes, if you convert it into yes, if you convert it into centimeters, it is 245 centimeters or 2 meters 45 centimeters. Very good. Now, can you tell me who has made Indian record in high jump? Who was that person?
Chandrapal, ma'am.
Chandrapal. Very good. Now, how high he has jumped? How high?
217 centimeters, ma'am.
28 centimeters high, ma'am.
2 meters 17 centimeters or 270 centimeters. Very good. Now, tell me, who jumped more? Is it Xavier or Chandrapal?
Xavier, ma'am.
Very good, Xavier. Now, can you tell me what to do to find out how much more Xavier has jumped than Chandrapal? Aim Chayal. What to do? Yes?
Subtraction, ma'am.
Very good.
Subtraction.
It is subtraction that you have to do to find out that Xavier has covered more distance than Chandrapal. Now tell me, what are the two numbers that you have to subtract?
245 minus 217, ma'am.
Very good. That is 245 minus 217. So hope you people are following it well. Pallavi, sit properly. So now, let us see the question. How many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? The same question what I asked you is being asked here. High jump in men world record is 2 meters 45 centimeters, that is 245 centimeters. Chandrapal record is 2 meters 17 centimeters. To find out how much more he should jump or how more Xavier has jumped, you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So first you have to write bigger number minus smaller number. So 245 centimeters minus 217 centimeters, subtract it. All of you subtract it. 245 minus 217. Yes, what is the answer, Dhruvesh? Yes, Dhruvish, tell me what is the answer?
28 centimeters, ma'am.
Very good. So 28 centimeter more Chandrapal has to jump to cover to make the world record, isn't it? So +1, I think. So now, is this problem clear? Any doubt? How to subtract or
No.
how did we get this answer? Any doubt? You please ask me. Anyone? Hope this is clear to all of you. Yes. Now let us go to the next one. Now, see the second question. Yashaswini, sit and see the sit. Yashaswini, sit. Yes. How many centimeters higher should Bobby jump to reach 2 meters? So let us see what is the Bobby's record. Let us go back to the table. Yes. Where is Bobby? In women category, high jump woman. So high jump woman is Bobby for Indian record is 1 meter 91 centimeters. 1 meter 91 centimeters. Bobby has recorded 1 meter 91 centimeters. Now, can you tell me how much more she should have done to reach to 2 meters? Yes, whoever knows can answer. Mokshita, tell.
807 centimeters, ma'am.
How come?
With subtraction.
Okay, but what is the question? She has got a record of 1 meter 91 centimeters. 1 meter 91 centimeters. Okay, so convert that into centimeters. Convert that, Akshit Gaud. If you convert that into centimeters, how much will you get? Tanvi Priya, no response. Yes, Akshit, tell me. If you convert that into complete centimeters, how much? 1 meter 91 centimeters. It becomes 191 centimeters. It's clear. That's not, till now you were answering, isn't it? So it is Dhruvesh, concentrate on the class. Yes. So yes, it is 191 centimeters. Now listen to me. The question is how much more he has to jump, she has to jump to reach to 2 meters. To reach to 2 meters. 2 meters means how many centimeters?
200.
Very good. Very good. It is 200 centimeters. So how much she has, listen, how much he has jumped? 191 centimeters. But how much she has to jump? 200.
9 centimeters, ma'am.
How much?
9 centimeters.
Very good, Ritesh. Yes, very good. It is 9 centimeters more she has to jump to reach to 200 centimeters, isn't it? Very good. So that was the question. Hope all of you understood. Let us see the problem now. Here you can understand better. So here, Bobby record in high jump is 1 meter 91 centimeters. That is 191 centimeters. Now Bobby to reach 2 meters, she has to get 9 centimeters. How is that you got 2 meters is 200 centimeters minus 191 gives you 9. So 9 centimeter more she has to jump to reach to 2 meters. Clear? Harshavarshini? Yes. Are you able to follow? Are you able to follow? Yes, very good. Now let us go to the next question. Galina's long jump is nearly. So first you have to see how much her jump is. Let us go back to the table. Galina, where is this? Long jump woman. Long jump woman. What is her record?
7 meters, 52 centimeters.
7 meters, 52 centimeters.
Very good. World record is 7 meters, 52 centimeters. Clear? Now what is the question? What is the question? Near to what number? For that, you need to see the options. Her jump is nearly. Is it near to 7 meters? Is it near to 7.5 meters or 8 meters? 7 meters, 7.5
meters,
8 meters. Now, what was her
ma'am.
actual jump? What was her actual jump? 7 meters, 52 centimeters. 7 meters, 52 centimeters. Now listen. Children, listen. What are the options given? First option is 7 meters. First option is
7
meters. Second option is
7.5
7.5 meters. Third option is
8
8
meters.
meters. Okay. So remember these three options. Remember, okay. How you got second option, I will tell you, Akshit Cloud. It is correct that second option is the right answer, but how to find out? Listen to me, because in exam you may not get the same problem, isn't it? The numbers might be differing, then you may get confused. So first you have to learn how to find out the correct answer. Now listen.
65 centimeters, ma'am. 69 centimeters, ma'am.
What is the 69? Listen to me. Listen. Her record was 7 meters, 52 centimeters. 7 meters, 52 centimeters. Right? Isn't it? Now, 7 meters is clear. What is 52 centimeters? If you see it in meters, 1 meter is how many centimeters? 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Very good. Very good. Now listen, children. Tell me, if 1 meter is 100 centimeters, then half meter is how many centimeters?
1000 centimeters, ma'am.
Listen carefully. I said 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Then half meter. Yes, very good. Half meter is 50 centimeters. I told you in the last class, half is always divided by 2. So 100 divided by 2, 50. Isn't it?
50.
Yes. Now the problem is very clear. When we have seen that her record is 7 meters and 52 centimeters, 52 centimeters is nearly a little more than half. Isn't it? Is it near to 50 number? 52 is nearby 50? Yes. Yes. So it means that 7 meter and half meter she has jumped. 7.5. Clear? Is that clear? Okay. The problem given is very simple. It's just simply writing and giving a tick mark. But understanding is more important. That how did you get it 7.5? Is that clear now? Galina's long jump is nearly 7.5 meters. Okay, this is the right option. Any doubt here? Please raise your hands if anyone has any doubt here. Can you tell me? Okay. Shall we go to the next question then?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now the next one is, look at the women's world record. So see the table. What is women's world record? Is that in long run or high jump? What is the difference between the longest jump and highest jump? Okay. So now,
High jump, ma'am.
Women's world record. What is women's world record in high jump? Two meters, 9 centimeters. Yes.
2 meters, 9 centimeters, ma'am.
Very good. So women's world record in high jump is 2 meters, 9 centimeters. Right? Now, in long jump, women's world record is how much? In long jump.
52 centimeters, ma'am.
Very good. 7 meters, 52 centimeters. Always only one student answers. Is there any understanding between you that only one student should answer, all others should keep quiet?
Ma'am, I'm Hassan.
Then Everyone should answer. All of you keep yourself unmute. I have not muted you. Is there any problem in unmute? It's clear here. So keep yourself unmute and answer me. Now once again, in high jump, what is women record? Record. In high jump world record, 2 meters, 9 centimeters. In long jump it is 7 meters, 52 centimeters. Can you tell me which one is the greater one? Is the 2 meter 99 centimeter is longer, or 7 meter 52 centimeter is the bigger number? Which one is the larger number? Which one is the larger number? 2 meter 9 centimeters or 7 meter 52 centimeters? What happened, children?
7 meter.
Very good. It is 7 meters, 52 centimeter is the larger number, isn't it? How do you know that? It's very simple. 2 meters. Here it is 7 meters. If not, you can convert directly into centimeters. It will be very easy for you. So let us see that once. 7 meter 52 centimeters. If you convert it into centimeters, it becomes 752 centimeters. And 2 meter 9 centimeters becomes 209 centimeters. Do you know how is this 2 meter 9 centimeter has become 209? Children, now tell me 2 meter 9 centimeters. How to convert it into 200 centimeters? 2 meters 9 centimeters.
270, ma'am.
200
290, ma'am.
209 centimeters, ma'am.
Yes. So one of you said 290. One of you said 209. Which one is right?
9, ma'am.
9. How do you know? Harshavarshini, tell me how you have calculated that.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you calculate?
I am calculate book, ma'am.
Okay. So now listen. So the way you have to calculate is 2 meters. Listen. Harshavarshini, listen. 2 meters means 200 centimeters. Right? So 209. That is 200 plus 9 is 209. That simple it is. Okay. So let us go to back to the problem. So 752 centimeters and 209 centimeters. Now the question is, what is the difference between longest jump and highest jump? Children, remember, whenever you are asked to find difference between, you have to subtract. It's very simple to understand and remember difference. Wherever the word difference has come, you have to subtract. Ekkadaina difference ane maata vaste, you have to subtract. Is that clear? Now, how to subtract? Which number minus which number? This also you know very well. Always take the bigger number first. Okay, so 752 is a bigger number. 752 minus 209. Now children, quickly subtract and tell me the answer. 752 minus 209 and show it to me. Fast. Subtract 752 minus 209. Subtract, Yashaswini, do it. 752 minus 209. Quick. 752. 752. 752. 52, right? Minus 209.
Ma'am, tell again.
752 minus 209.
209.
Yes. Subtract and tell me.
Ma'am, tell me again.
Hooray. 752.
553, ma'am.
Check it again.
543, ma'am.
Check it again.
Ma'am, 542, ma'am.
Ma'am, 742, ma'am.
Show me the work. Don't tell me the answer. Show me the work. Show me the work. Where you have subtracted, Harshavarshini, show me the work. 752 minus 209. 752 minus 209. Huh?
543, ma'am.
Show me the work.
543, ma'am.
Array, you show me the work, my dear. Yes, see, Dhruvish has shown. You did not cancel the numbers. How did you minus 2 minus 9, Dhruvish? How did you subtract 2 minus 9?
Borrowing, ma'am.
Borrow, you should show it to show you also. No, you should cancel that number, borrow the number, write the reduced number. You should show it in the work. Do it once again.
Next number, next question.
Desh, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me the work then.
My name is Akshit.
Akshit Gaud.
743, ma'am.
Yeah, Ritesh, okay, fine, good. Okay, Ritesh, well done. Yes, Akshit, Mokshita, show, a bit clear. Yeah, Akshita, very good. Okay, Akshit Gaud. A little closer, Akshit, a little closer. Did you borrow the numbers? Yes, very good, Akshit. It's okay, good, I can see. Mokshita, good, I can see that. Akshit, good. Others? Yes, okay then, children. So you had in total, so here it is 543 centimeters and it can be converted into 5 meter 43 centimeters. So you have in total 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, children. So in total, in today's presentation, you have 7 problems. How many?
7 problems.
Hope all of you understood that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So what is the work today? What is the today's work? What you have to do? After
7 problems.
Yes, after I post this in your WhatsApp group, you have to write all these 7 problems neatly in your classwork notebook and post it today itself. Is that clear? Problems are not difficult because we have already discussed. Yes, while writing, any doubt, you get any doubt, you can ask. Is that clear? Is that clear, children? Yes. If I am not available to you over phone, if by chance I couldn't take your phone, you can write it in the WhatsApp group. I will definitely answer your question. Clear, children? Now, coming to coming to the problem what Dhruvish has asked in the previous class. Dhruvish, it was by somehow there was a power cut and immediately there was a cut in the Zoom meeting. So I couldn't answer your question. Hope you worked it out as I told you. It has to be converted into inches. That is easy for you. If not, as I have written in the WhatsApp group, 1 feet is 30 centimeters approximately. Okay. But with that, you will not get the correct answer because you have not learned yet decimal multiplication. Okay. It is not exactly 30 centimeters. It is 30.48 centimeters. And you do not know about the decimal multiplication. That is why it might be you may not get the exact answer, but you can find out. 4.5 feet you said, isn't it? 4.5. 4 and half. So 4 feet is 4 into 30, 120 centimeters.
Ma'am,
Right?
over, ma'am.
Right? Huh?
Over, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Good. So half, the remaining half, that is half of 30, 15. Right? So 120 plus 15, that is 135 centimeters, approximately your height will be. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, if you convert it into inches, you can find out as 1 foot is 12 inches, 4 feet is 4 into 12, 48 inches. And half is 12 divided by 2, that is 6, 48 plus 6. Okay? Is that clear? 54 inches you will be getting in total your height. Okay, children?
Yes.
Fine.
Thank you,
children,
ma'am.
please, okay, welcome. Children, please complete the work and submit it. Everyone should submit. Your submission carries marks. I'm telling you this in every class. Please follow that. Okay, till the next class.
Ma'am.
Bye, children. I'm going to post the work in your group now itself.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, Harshavardhini, what is your?
This lesson send the WhatsApp, ma'am.
I'm telling you the same, my dear. Okay. Bye, children.
Ma'am.